Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Meta campaign budget optimization settings in Ads Manager, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager account. Navigate to the specific ad account you want to work with. Click on the Campaigns tab at the top of the page. Locate the campaign you wish to verify. Select the campaign by clicking on its name. Once the campaign details open, look for the Campaign Budget Optimizations section. Check if the toggle for Campaign Budget Optimization is switched on. If it is on, review the total budget you have set for the campaign. Consider how this budget is distributed across multiple ad sets. Next, click on the Ad Sets tab within the campaign view. Review each ad set to see how the budget is being allocated. Note any discrepancies in how funds are distributed across ad sets. If you need to adjust the budget, click on the ad set name to make changes. In the ad set details, find the budget allocation settings. Make any necessary changes, and ensure they align with your overall campaign strategy. Return to the Campaigns tab to monitor the overall performance. Keep an eye on the results regularly to ensure optimization is working as intended. Stay updated with any changes or new features from Meta regarding budget optimization strategies. This is crucial for maintaining effective ad spend and achieving your marketing goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.